Today we're going to be working on a 2010 Ford Fusion, and this is the second video I'm making on this car. The first one was the outer tie rod on the front left. So if you missed that and that's some information you need, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to that. But we're going to go ahead and replace the rear sway bar end links, both the left and right, on this 2010 Ford Fusion. We are searching out some noises from the suspension in the rear. So I just wanted to show you, I used these ramps, backed up on them. I didn't really feel like jacking up the car on both sides, and I think we're going to end up changing both sway bar end links on this. So let's go down and see what we can find. Alright, so this is kind of difficult to see, but that is the right rear sway bar end link. And you can see that area. I'm trying to get the light where we can both see. So right there, looks like we got a problem. So I'm going to grab a pry bar and kind of mess with this and see what kind of movement we have here. Yeah, I don't think that is still hooked up. I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing here, but yes. Looks like the shoulder pulled out of socket. Alright. Well, so what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to get this whole end link out of the way, and then we'll mess with getting that off there. Okay, I'm bringing that stupid thing back this way. Gotta come out this way. Got him. Alright, so here you can see the one on the left is the one we took out, and there's nothing there, and luckily we're good to go on this one. So we're gonna go ahead and get the left side off, and then we'll replace both of them at the same time. Alright, so to get these off, there's an Allen hole. Let's see if I'm gonna try and zoom in on it. There you go. So you can see an Allen wrench fits in there, and then this is a 14mm bolt. So what I'm gonna try and do is find the right size Allen that goes in there, which I checked the new one and found one that fits. But the new one's not OEM, and it might be a different size. But yeah, that seems to fit actually. So I'll list what sizes they were. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get the wrench on that and hopefully get that one off there, and then we can move to the other side. So this side is probably the worst because you got the muffler and the exhaust pipe in the way. So when we get to the other side, it shouldn't be so bad. Maybe I can show a little bit better over there. Alright, here we are on the passenger side. We're going to go ahead and get set up. I think we're going to go for loosening this first. way better than the other side. Alright, let's see if we can get this one out. Alright. For those of you wondering how I eventually got this passenger side piece off, I just been spraying this with liquid wrench. Finally put a pair of vice grips on the ball socket that went into the actual sway bar end link, and then I tightened the bolt back on, or tightened the nut back on, and loosened it back up, tightened it back on. So as you can see, I'm still in the middle of it. It's a bit of a bear, but I think that's what's going to get that nut off there. I'll come back once I've got this off. Alright, now for the easy part, putting the new stuff in. So we're going to come from the top here. Go ahead and get the bolt started, or the nut started. There we go, we're getting pretty close here. See if I can get the bolt started. Hey, looky there. Alright, we're going to grab the impact. Go ahead and run this bolt in. Okay, now we're going to use our ratchet and our Allen wrench, and we're going to tighten the top. Alright, other side. Alright, we've got the old end link out. We're going to put this one in. And we will be using a 5mm Allen wrench to hold the center where we need it while we're tightening it. And a 17mm ratcheting wrench to tighten the bolt, the nut. If you watch any videos and they don't show you the passenger side, shame on them, because that is the hardest side. I'm including that footage in this video. Alright, so as it turns out, I didn't need this on this side. I did use it on the other side. Let's run this bolt in here. Alright, now I'm going to clean up, put away my tools. We're going to go for a drive and see if the noise has gone away. I'm certain if not all the noise is gone, a majority of it is. So we're going to clean up, take a drive, and I'll be back after the drive and let you know what we found. Just got back from taking it for a drive, and the noises in the back are gone. There still are some noises up front. So if you have a car like this, stay tuned, because I'll be doing the sway bar end links on the front and a brake job as well. Go ahead and like, subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.